Cooking is an art form. It requires skill, time, research, as well as a bit of love and passion. Two Italian chefs who have made appearances on the Food Network's Iron Chef, The Martha Stewart Show, and much more are currently on the island. We had a candid conversation with them. Take a look to see what they have to say about cooking. Kitchen can be a battlefield when you get to this level of cooking. Take the Carro twins, for example. These chefs who have competed on Iron Chef America is on the island to tell us the beauty of cooking.
To me, if you are interested in food, it's something that, you should be interested in food. You should be able to cook your own meal just to make sure you know to do it. And then you should experience what is the flavor you can create. That is interesting things.
The identical twin chefs say it's one thing to cook at home for yourself and for your family. It is quite another to start a business. You must perfect your craft prior to opening up a restaurant.
On the point of view of a business, it's completely different. You have to make sure you organize the food in the way other people is going to enjoy it. And it's much more challenging because you don't know who you're going to cook for. So, know the flavor, know the recipe, and then be able to serve people is two different things. But I recommend to everybody to discover flavor and to prepare meal for themselves. It's very easy. It's not just the meaning I don't know how to cook eggs. That's not, you can do it.
Their expertise lies within their roots, so naturally Italian dishes are their forte. The Supreme Chefs gives us one fantastic, quick and easy recipe to try at home that will surely stir some interest for 15 on 15 viewers to cook more often.
Try to do this. Take an eggplant, aubergine, how you want to call it. You slice it. You put sea salt on top, let them rest for 45 minutes. You're going to see all the bitterness of the eggplant going away. You rinse it, so you wash it, okay? You butter it with eggs, you bread it twice, and then you fry them. Let me know how you like the mezzanzana now.
Tasty.
That's very good.
The twins say, like any other career, it isn't easy to find success as chefs. A tremendous amount of work and dedication is required.
A lot of hard work, a lot of time, a lot of dedication, a lot of research. We are not only people cooking. There is a lot of work around that. Then you need to like it, and if you love it, you can go there.
Yeah, it's the knowledge that you accumulate with your experience, then make you to be able to build your own concept and stick with that. That is when you become successful. I always tell to everybody that they have to work for themselves, because the people are going to recognize their name. And then, so don't work for somebody else. Just work for yourself, so you're going to create your own style, and then you can become successful.
In case you were wondering, the twin brothers did beat Chef Michael Symon in Kitchen Stadium on Iron Chef America. Chef Michael Symon is the top Iron Chef in terms of winning percentage on that show, so it speaks volumes considering the twins beat him. But then again, it is 2 against 1. Thank you so much for watching. Watch tomorrow night at 7:15 p.m. for another great lineup of topics right here on Channel 15 ATV. We'll see you then.